Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by plugging the Homepod into power and placing it near your router so signal is strong. This matters for fast initial downloads. Once done, make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated, unlocked, and Bluetooth is on because the Home app uses that handshake. Open the Home app and hold your device within about 3 feet of the Homepod to trigger the setup card. Follow on screen prompts to choose room and personalize voice recognition, so Siri learns household voices. Now you configure the network and personalization options. Select your Wi-Fi network or let the HomePod inherit the iPhone's connection to avoid retyping passwords, because a stable connection keeps streaming and smart home commands reliable. Next, sign in with your Apple ID to enable personal requests, messages, and calendar access. This ties HomeKit automations to your account. Make sure to pick the correct room and set Siri's language and voice so responses and handoff. Finish by letting the HomePod complete any software updates and then test audio playback, voice recognition, and HomeKit scenes. This confirms everything is ready for daily use. If something fails, first reboot by unplugging for 10 seconds then plugging back in, because many issues clear with a restart. If problems persist, reset the HomePod and re-attempt setup. Also check router bans, firewall rules, and iCloud sign-in, since connectivity or account problems are the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.